This e-bike is almost perfect. A Samsung battery, a carbon belt, hydraulic disc brakes and a front suspension fork, to name a few. But what really sets this e-bike apart, I will share with you after this short intro. With a decent spec list, quality construction materials and a sleek digital display, Ado has achieved an impressive all-round package at an attractive price point. Not forget to mention this insanely genius bell. I've made a super short video on this bike build because I believe it's so genius it deserves its own video. Hidden right here in this unassuming bell is your bike's secret guardian. Now, go check it out. Find a link in the top right corner. The 𝗦𝗫𝗏 from Ado is a fantastic ride, and that's especially due to its lightweight design because it comes in at only 21 kilograms. This ensures excellent control even at lower speeds, and the rear wheel motor maintains balanced weight distribution for easy maneuverability. It also stands out with its smooth power delivery thanks to the torque sensor, eliminating abrupt transitions common in this price range, and with the cadence sensors. With its 37.5 Nm of torque, the Ado e-bike accelerates quickly to the 25 km/h cutoff point, and steep hills and bridges are therefore no problem at all. Hydraulic disc brakes ensure safe, controlled stops in various situations. In my standard stopping test, I came to a full stop within 3.5 meters at maximum speed. This is way better than the average score that I've tested here on the channel. The ride quality is impressive with its 1.8 wide tires, providing comfort while retaining road feedback. The front suspension adds to the overall smoothness of the ride, including speed bumps intended for cars. The 𝗦𝗫𝗏 showcases a thoughtful design, prioritizing rider comfort with features like the slender saddle and the leather-like handle grips. It's available in one frame size, ideal for riders over 1.6 meters, and the adjustable stem allows me, with 1.88 m, to also enjoy the bike. Now, I don't want you to wait until the end of the video before I explain it, so here it is. The 2 points that would make this e-bike perfect is, first of all, an integrated rear light in the bike rack, like this bike has here for example. Right now it runs on a battery, which is not bad at all, but integrating the rear light definitely makes it even more premium. So the second point, it's minor, like really minor, it's basically only found on Dutch bicycles, is to have a wheel lock right away attached to the frame. This is the way the majority of the bikes are locked here in Holland, especially for a quick visit to the store or when you park it on your own driveway. I'm aware that this isn't the safest option when leaving it like in less unattended areas, but it's a very convenient way. And to be honest with you, those are the only 2 points that I came across after testing this bike for a full month. And after knowing the price, which can be checked by the link in the video's description, Ado's new 𝗦𝗫𝗏 stands out as a budget-conscious urban e-bike, but its appearance and performance defy its affordable pricing. And on top of that, on the aluminum alloy frame is a generous 10-year warranty. The frame design strikes a balance between modern aesthetics and a traditional step-through look. Internal cable routing maintains a clean look. The bike features a belt drive system, reducing maintenance and ensuring a quiet ride. As mentioned at the beginning of the video, the 𝗦𝗫𝗏 is powered by a Samsung battery, 345 Wh to be precise, offering an estimated range of 100 kilometers. Real-world usage resulted for me in 70 to 75 kilometers of range, and that is on good and flat bike roads with my height and weight and at full motor power. Charging the battery fully takes about 6 hours, and it's easily removable with a lockable seat clamp for off-bike charging. The electronic display is user-friendly and allowing customization of power modes and unit preferences. It's even possible to connect your phone to the bike. It feels, to be honest, a little bit redundant to me because a lot of features that you can do in the app is something you can do on the display as well, and therefore I don't use the app, to be honest. Its 1.8-inch 𝗬𝗏 young tires offer a comfortable and grippy ride. With puncture-resistant tires and the belt drive system, the bike ensures a hassle-free ownership. The 𝗦𝗫𝗏 is competitively priced if you ask me. It's $14.99 at the moment of publishing this video. Prices could change, but go check out the link in the video description right now, because if you order the 𝗦𝗫𝗏 you get a free basket. So in conclusion, I believe I firmly believe that Ado's e-bike is a comfortable, capable and budget-friendly e-bike. With its low maintenance and attractive pricing position, it is a strong contender in the urban e-bike market. Is 100 kilometers of range sufficient? I think it is. Well, in my case it is. But maybe the most important question is this e-bike perfect? Essentially, yes. Unless you're willing to invest a few €100 more for an integrated rear light and a wheel lock. So, very short, this is the best e-bike I've tested here on my channel. However, if you prefer an e-bike with a slightly more sporty look, then go watch this video over here. It still has a carbon belt and a torque sensor, but has a slightly different frame design. And don't forget to look at this video. It's about the bike wheel. Go check it out right now. It's definitely worth watching. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked it. So consider subscribing so that I see you in the next one.